Welcome guys to Land Cruiser Restorations. This is Jesse. Right now we're looking at a 88 FJ62 with the 5.3 Chevy Vortec. Got a lot going on here. It's in the desert tan, LED lights, R triple bar front bumper, 16-inch rims, gone through the interior, the auto grade vinyl in a brown, factory looking brown color, nice headliner, got the double din, touchscreen, JL audio, backup, all the gauges are integrated, shifter boots the same as stock, electric windows, electric locks, rear heater, folding down seat. Got a lockable, that's our lockable center console, couple cup holders, KO3 tires. It's got the swing out with the tire carrier, the ladder. It's got new carpet, padding, sound deadening, again JL audio in the back. Got a roof rack here. It's a Gobi style roof rack, low profile. It's kind of that off-road adventure look going for. So if you're interested, check out the website, Land Cruiser Restorations. Have several for sale, FJ60, 62s. And if I don't have it, I'll build it for you. Give me a call, 316-633-9902. Ask for Jesse, ask for Jim, the owner, and we'll try to get you taken care of. Like and subscribe and share, and see you on the next one.